This is my version of how to make a tray baked chocolate cake. I'll be showing you step by step and you'll see how simple it really is. Hey guys, welcome back to Riri Create. The ingredients you'll need to make your chocolate sheet cake are 200 grams of margarine, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 200 grams of caster sugar, 4 eggs already beaten, 230 grams of self-raising flour, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and 3 tablespoons of warm water. The first thing you need to do to make your tray-baked chocolate cake or chocolate sheet cake is preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and prepare your tray. I'm using a foil tin which is 11 by 9 inches, and I'm just going to add some cake release to the bottom and edges, or you can use margarine and dust it with flour if you don't have that. Now let's get to cake making. First, mix the margarine for a couple of seconds, then add the warm water to the cocoa powder and mix slowly until combined. It should look something like this. Now I'm going to add the cocoa mix to the margarine and mix it for a couple of seconds. Add the sugar and mix on high until pale and creamy. Add the eggs gradually, mixing in between. Add the vanilla essence. Now I'm going to add the flour in 3 or 4 batches, making sure that it's mixed properly and that there's no flour pockets. Now pour the mixture into your prepared foil tin. Here you can see I'm slightly banging it on the counter to release any air bubbles, and it levels it out. Now bake for about 20 to 30 minutes. Check the cake in the oven and touch your finger on it to see if it's springy, or use a toothpick to poke inside, or one of these cake testers to see if it comes out clean, and then you'll know if your cake is done. Your cake should look like this once it's cooked. I'm going to add some chocolate buttercream on the top, but I will be making another tutorial on how to decorate it if you want to give it to someone. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to tap that like button. And if you want to see more of my content, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button if you want to know every single time I post another video. Until next time, bye!